Hey everyone, long time no speak. I hope you guys are all doing well. So today we are concluding the video hackathon with this finale. I hope you guys are all excited to find out who won all the bounty winners as well as the Livepeer prizes. It's great to see you guys all here and I hope you are all excited. So for those of you who don't know, we're Encode Club. We're a global community of top developers, professionals, and talented students in emerging tech. We run a number of programs, educates, accelerators, boot camps, but the one today, which we are concluding, is the hackathon, specifically the AI video hackathon. So this was a 4-week hackathon designed for you guys to push the boundaries of decentralized video technology. All your submissions have looked incredible, and I hope you guys are very proud of what you have achieved. First, I would like to invite Omji on stage, our head of research and operations, to give you guys a little concluding talk. Hey, Omji.
That is so funny because everyone, just for the context, literally 5 minutes ago, we were testing everything. It was working. And then suddenly Livestone says, I cannot join. So I had to reload everything. But anyway, everyone, first, congratulations to all the finalists who has made it to today. It's great to see all those your hard work is getting tied up by presenting your babies to all the audience who are very excited to learn more about your project. In the beginning, we already talked about this is not just about building something and getting prize, but more about learning new things, even perhaps meeting your future co-founders and building something. Some of you already perhaps got some alpha from us that there's a following program soon to be announced, you will have opportunity to join startup program and building further. So please this as a great opportunity to pivot your projects. Even you didn't make it to the finalists this time, please don't give up. Continuously pivot your ideas and building. We will be around and continuously supporting. This time it's also very special because I see some of the OG Encode members' name who has been attending the hackathon and become finalists as well. So I can see that all the trajectory of all the participants who has been following our education program, very special moment. So everyone, please enjoy that. And while AI has been changing our life so much and it's going to do even more, this is the edge of the innovation happening, utilizing blockchain, Rails, and AI. And you have a great opportunity to build some creative solution with all the support from Livepeer team. We are very excited to introduce those opportunities coming along. And today is the start of that. So all the finalists, break the leg, and everyone very, very excited to see your next steps.
Absolutely. Thank you so much, Omji. And yes, Livepeer are doing such really, really cool things, as I'm sure you guys are all aware. And to kind of speak a little bit on that and to congratulate you all, I would like to invite N from Livepeer. They should be getting ready to come up soon.
Yeah. Hi, everyone.
Amazing. Hey.
Thank you so much, Adriana. So my name is N. I am running community over at Livepeer. And as we get into it, I just want to say first, I'm so excited to see all of the projects. This has been a long time coming. So thank you, everyone, for the patience. And yeah, I'm super excited. I think we have a ton of incredible projects that you'll be seeing. And then I'm excited to announce the winners.
Yay, amazing, exactly. Okay, but before we get into the winners, we have now the pitches. And I'm just gonna remove you backstage if that's all right. First we have G2 from Creative TV. You should be getting an invitation to come up to present your project. Yeah, amazing. Perfect. Hey.
Good morning. Good morning.
How are you doing?
Doing good. How are you?
Good. Doing great. Excited to see your presentation. Whenever you're ready, you can begin sharing, and the stage is all yours.
Hey guys, my name is G2. I am the founder of Creative TV, and I'd like to introduce Creative TV, which is a platform for creators, brands, and fans. Why we're here is that Creative TV is basically a service organization that's onboarding professional creators who can benefit from financial support of independent and reliable funding streams that the world of cryptocurrency and NFTs can provide. Right now, we currently see a problem in the current state of the entertainment industry. And the problem is that centralized control obviously is a problem with gatekeepers. Some people familiar with the Diddy situation. I think that's opened up a lot of opportunities for creators. We have high barriers to entry. It's kind of expensive being a creator. A lot of the tools and things that you need to be a creator can be more expensive as more technology comes out, and limited monetization. Well, there's always a limited amount of money that creators are actually making, so that doesn't help. What we want to do is we want to provide a decentralized platform that helps creators to build the media and content that they want in order to earn revenue stream through their own releases of content. What we see is opportunity to disrupt streaming with creator empowerment with the tools with AI and blockchain technology. We feel that implementing Livepeer and their tools can afford an opportunity for creators to be more empowered. This is a quick screen. I'm going to flow through the actual flow of the upload process. Basically, you'll fill out a typical form. You got title, description, location, so forth. And then you upload your actual media file, your video in particular. And this is kind of what it would look like. You will upload. And then it goes through a video transcoding where it processes. And at this point, you'll see it now. This is the Livepeer. It's now uploaded to IPFS and Livepeer. Livepeer Studio in particular, and you can now you can create a thumbnail for this video. We're using Livepeer AI to generate the image for the thumbnail, and this is an example of the image that was created for the thumbnail from Livepeer AI. Quick little run through. We also did another feature where we added Livepeer AI audio to text, and that creates subtitles for our creative TV products. Yeah. This is a quick run through of what that looks like.
So if you notice here, while it was uploading, while the video was uploading, it created subtitles. So this actually tapped into an creative file and everything, created a file and all. So for subtitles. So
basically it creates the
in the video,
.ptt file where subtitles are created through Livepeer AI by listening to the audio that's created on Livepeer and then translating that over to text. We also are working on a database where you can translate that text into other languages so you can translate to the other languages. And so that concludes pretty much my wrap up here on Creative TV. We plan on adding expanding additional AI capabilities like AI video from Livepeer to enhance the AI capabilities of Livepeer. Thank you.
Amazing. Thank you so much, G2. Your project looked incredible, and that was a fantastic presentation. So I will now send you backstage, and Samuel, you should be getting an invitation to come up and present your project, mycontent.fun. So yeah, you should be getting one of those invitations shortly. Amazing. Hello.
Hello.
Hey, whenever you're ready to share your screen and your slides, the stage is all yours.
Hey everyone, I'm gonna present mycontent.fun where trends meet trading. So content creators and traders face a common challenge today. Creators struggle to predict trends, often missing viral waves. So traders overlook valuable social signals while manual meme creation it's up precious time, as you can see here. The result, there is a disconnected ecosystem between content and trading. What is the solution? This is where mycontent.fun transforms the game. Our AI-powered trend analysis predicts what's about to explode. We track trends in real time, automatically generate viral memes, and suggest smart trading strategies based on social signals. Let me show you the infrastructure. So we use Swarm Zero SDK, Mistral AI, CoinGecko, and Livepeer. How it works. So you start by selecting your preferred platforms, either Twitter, Reddit, or TikTok. So this is customized, and based on using this and a sensor that will check if there is a trend, there is scamming or accepted, so that if a token is good or is scam, it will filter it. There is a trend analysis using Swarm Zero AI agent, processes trending topics and sentiment. And then there is a content generation by Livepeer, which converts trends to viral images. For now, what we have is this. So this is the product. This is what is generated, the image. When you click here, generate a meme, it's a very simple tool. Text to image by Livepeer. This is just by an endpoint. Or you select which platform, Reddit, Twitter. You select a model also, so you have two models. There is a meme analysis generated by Swarm Zero agent, and which creates this meme. The unique feature and the plan for the future is this trending tokens fetched and you will have a trading advice based on this token that are fetched here by AI agents, and they will give you, for example, for grid strategy, what token to invest in and with which amounts and which separation for the grids. There is a plan for this. So the plan is to use this project as a SaaS, but in blockchain. So you can have payments, a creator pass for users to use this tool because it's based on AI. Thank you very much, everyone.
Amazing. Thank you, Samuel. That looked like such an incredible project. Well done. So next we will have Yogesh from Livepeer AI Sumseg, who will be presenting his project. You should be receiving an invitation. Oh, amazing. Hello.
Hi.
Hey, whenever you're ready to start sharing and present.
So, hi, I'm Yogesh. I'm working on a developer tool called Livepeer AI Summarizer and Segmenter. So what is the current problem that we are facing? The developers are facing a problem that the video content has been exploding in the last 10 to 15 years, but developers are not able to programmatically summarize, transcribe, or perform any kind of other video analysis like get subtitles or segments of a video. And another problem is that current tools need user interface or need some kind of a manual intervention, and this is not a good thing for adapting it to developer first workflows. So what is the solution? So I have created a tool, a command line interface tool, which is using the Livepeer AI SDK, and then this enables the developers to programmatically do the video analysis like summarizing or transcribing or any other video operation. Here are the features and the use case. So here is the command line interface first design that is for developers who need simplicity and automation. And the output is very human friendly, like outputs are in .text and .srt files. So here is the use case. You upload the video first, then perform an operation like transcribing or summarizing or getting the subtitles or any other video operation. And then here is the output generated. And this output now can be further used, can be used for further processing like indexing or video optimization or any other operation that you want to do. Here is a technology stack that I use, built on Livepeer SDK, using the Livepeer's AI SDK, and also I currently use AWS for getting the transcription and the subtitles or generating the summary. I am using the Golang language because it's fast and efficient and has support for a lot of standard libraries like Cobra and Viper. But in future, we can adapt it to Python and JavaScript as well. Here the key outputs are in the SRT or the text files for subtitles and summary or captions. And I'm not using any user interface for now because it is focused on the developers and it makes it very lightweight and efficient and suitable for scripting. So here is a typical workflow. So here you have my tool, and then followed by a command, followed by the IPFS path of the video. So here you can see I have given an example. The command is caption, and then the path of the IPFS file for the video, and it generates caption.txt as the output. Market impact, who will benefit? Basically the developers and the teams who need programmatic access. And what is the real world use case? It's mostly can be used mostly in the DevOps, like CI/CD pipelines, or in video analysis for educational platforms or OTT services. A competitive edge is that it is very lightweight and developer focused, so no code bloat. Limitations and future improvements. So here there is a vendor lock-in currently with AWS, but the future plan is to make it more flexible and adaptable so that I can use directly the LLMs from Livepeer and then Hugging Face or OpenAI. The current video segmentation accuracy needs an improvement because I need to use the open source solutions and I want to avoid the vendor lock-in with AWS. And the video length currently tested is for up to 2 minutes, and I want to test it for larger length videos. So future roadmap, I have already given the future roadmap in the GitHub link, and the most important ones are copied here. So this is the if Livepeer expands its AI capabilities, then I can use that tool to completely transition into the ecosystem of Livepeer. Thank you.
Amazing. Thank you, Yogesh. That was really, really good. Looks like a really cool tool for developers. Okay, great. I will send you backstage. And next we have George from LearNova. He'll be coming up to present his project shortly. And yeah, after that we'll be halfway through, which is exciting. So whenever you're ready to share your screen and begin, you are more than welcome.
So my name is George, and I'm very proud to present you today with LearNova, an innovative learning platform that allows everyone to learn anything in their own very special way. And it does that by creating AI-generated educational videos, which are tailored just for the individual users. But before we dive deeper into the application, we need to understand the two problems that led to the creation of its platform. Problem number one, everyone is unique. And everyone has their unique learning style, and therefore they require unique learning material and tools, a need that is sadly either under-serviced or not serviced at all from today's learning industry. Problem number two, it's very hard and it takes a lot of time to learn anything, especially if you want to learn it deeply. Sadly, those two problems lead to the greater issue of diminished learning outcomes. And currently, almost no one learns at the capacity that they really deserve and at the speed that they really deserve. So how can we solve this? In LearNova, we provide tailored educational material by default, and we're able to do that by allowing our users to submit the relevant information about them that they are comfortable with sharing. And every time during the onboarding process and every time that they generate a video, that video uses that information and thus tailored content is produced. And because of the speed that the educational material is delivered and the ability of our brain to rapidly consolidate information that it's both multimodal and tailored to its functionality, LearNova saves a ton of time for learners. Another very important utility of LearNova is its extremely flexible design, which allows the creation of videos for a plethora of user cases, not just for learning. But let's see it in action. Let's see another video of different style. Currently, the application is a full application including UI and backend. It has all the basic MVP utilities to go to the market, and it's able to produce arbitrary lengths of videos limited only by the cost of production. And for the near future, we have our advertisement version of LearNova, which will be able to produce specifically advertisement videos for a fraction of the current cost and in the fraction of the current time. And we also want to use distribution channels so that we can interact with users and gather metrics to constantly go to the market. And also, last but not least, it's the auto improvement utility, which will allow the application to self-improve using the metrics, require little to non-human intervention. Thank you so much for watching. Good luck to everyone.
Thank you, George. Love those videos. They're really, really cool. Okay, next we have ZoraGift, which is Mujahid's project. Hello, how are you?
Hi, fine. What about you?
Good, great. Well, whenever you're ready to present, you can begin sharing your slides.
Hi, everyone. This is Mujahid from Hyderabad, India. So I'm an active community member from Hyderabad Dev. So for this AI video hackathon, I built ZoraGift. So what actually does is, so in the current era, we have billions of users are coming to the on-chain. So where my ZoraGift helps to give a unique experience for them to transfer their crypto. So it's like act like as a generative AI personalized gifting, and it creates a long-lasting on-chain memories for them. So it's also revolutionizes the crypto transfers with NFT. So let's deep dive the key features of it. So here I'm using Zora, so where it introduces the gasless transactions and give very seamless integration to Zora.co. So it acts like as a ultimate gift marketplace. So another thing is I'm bounding Ether and ERC721. So it combines the both NFTs as gifts to transfer the crypto. So I am taking the generative AI images, which is powered by Livepeer's text-to-image pipeline on Zora. So in future, I want to build with an AI agent, which is personal gifting using spam-generated AI. So I want to highlight these key features as well. So which also work as a collaborative gifting. So where bring peoples together to create unforgettable moments to make others special. So while in on-chain, gift galleries preserves this memory forever in a blockchain-based space. So ZoraGift will also serve like as a creator tool. So where audiences can gift creators, and while creators will launch exclusive NFT gifts for their fans, empowering both communities. So this is how the flow of our ZoraGift works. So here I'm using contract ZoraGift.sol. So where it mints the NFTs and also bound the Ether and ERC721. So these are the tech stack which have been used here. So you can also try ZoraGift on zoragift.fursal.app. So this is the basic user interface. You can see, so it's very easy to create a gift and send a gift easily. So where you can also bound Ether from here, where we can plan the gifting in future. So where I want to create very seamless process for everyone to gifting. So this is how it looks, and we have also on-chain data. You can see on ZoraGift Explorer. So this is the metadata. We can also view metadata and also content. So here others can also contribute from here. So these are the next steps I'm going to plan. So we're supporting tokens like stable coins with the USDT and USDC. So I want to build an personalized AI agent on spam0.ai. So I want to build like a very seamless UI for mobile compatible also. And advanced gifting personalizations using Livepeer AI pipeline. So far now I use the text to image. In future, I want to use like videos and those all to showcase on Zora.co. And I want to expand expansion with the cross-chain Zora. So begin your gifting journey with ZoraGift. Thank you.
Thank you, Mujahid. Love those slides. So that was great. We are now going to move swiftly on to Starforge, which is Robert's project. So you should be getting an invitation to come up and present. And yeah, then we've got this one and two more.
Hello.
Others. Hello.
Can you hear me?
Yes, all good.
All right, let me share my screen.
Sure.
So Starforge is a licensed actor likeness generative film app. So Starforge enables creators to produce and monetize videos featuring digital celebrity performances. So this approach creates a multi-sided marketplace where actors can earn from licensing their likeness. Creators can pay to use these likenesses, but can earn through their final products by posting on YouTube or another platform. And Starforge generates revenue by facilitating these transactions. So the idea is that as a platform, we would have a deal built on story protocol with these actors, actresses, and we can have the users select from their choice of actors and actresses on the list, and then generate a script based on the user input. We have 11 labs that can generate a sound effect and a dialogue based on their cloned voice for each scene. And we use FFmpeg and a Livepeer to handle some of the video processing. So to see the live demo, we've got this one. So you could just choose a couple actors, say, let's see, comedy, and then simple Web3 sort of thing. And yeah, you just confirm with MetaMask right here. So we also have a gallery where we can see other movies that I've made. So this is sample right here.
With Starforge, you can create breathtaking worlds and scenes with just a few taps on your keyboard. From epic landscapes to gritty urban settings, Starforge AI can bring any vision to life.
Yeah, so yeah, and then this video will appear in about 5 minutes. But yeah, that's pretty much it. We actually have this live demo. If you just go to my site, claresend.com, go down here, the Starforge, it goes right there. So if you want to try it out, looking to add a better user auth flow with Web3 auth. But yeah, that's it. So thank you for your everyone watching. Yep.
Amazing. Sounds good. Great. Thank you, Robert. So next, we have Who is the Boss, which is Astro's project. So he should be coming up shortly to present his work that he's been working on over the hackathon. You should be receiving a link shortly to tell you to join, an invitation. Yes, Mohammed, you're right. These are really, really impressive projects. Bear with us just one moment. Sometimes this live storm thing takes a little while to work. I think potentially, actually, let's skip ahead just to let this kind of settle down. And so Ayush, I'm just going to invite you to participate, and then Astro will go to you after AI Forge presents, if that's all right. Perfect. Okay, Ayush, that's great. Whenever you're ready to share your slides and present,
Yes.
the stage is yours.
Hello, everybody. I'm Ayush, the creator of AI Forge, your AI development companion. So as developers trying to integrate generative AI solutions into our apps, we face a lot of issues given that we are used to a sophisticated solution like Git and GitHub for code management. There is nothing that comes close when it comes to prompting and prompt management. And there is a lack of collaboration tools as well when it comes to prompting and prompt management. So what's the solution to this? Presenting to you AI Forge, your one-stop shop for all these problems that I just spoke about. So we've built a very sophisticated prompt management system with built-in version control and a visual prompt builder which generates a prompt for your use case. And we also have a community template library where you can see what the community has generated and start with it. So this is perfect for hackers like us, enterprise AI teams, AI startups, DevOps teams, and even research groups. So now let's see a quick demo. So this is the prompt generator, and you enter what you want to build, what you want to generate a prompt for. So let's say poems by Robert Frost. So it generates a proper prompt with some template variables that can be pulled in using user input, and it gives you ready to paste code snippets, which you can directly paste into your code base. And next is the version management system. So we have something called collections and variations, just like repositories and branches. So you can see the version history and the different variations. You can even create a variation. So let's create a beta variation, and you can input a prompt and give it a note and save it. So that gets saved into your version history. You can even create a collection. You can also create multimodal pipelines. So here, if you want the output of one model to be the input of another and change different models, you can do that. So here we are trying to generate a video all the way starting from a text prompt that goes into an image generation model, and that goes into a video generation model. So you can create this chain and again export the code. And lastly, we have the marketplace. So users can list all the things that they've created, prompts, templates, and pipelines, and the community can benefit from what they've created. So the next steps, obviously, everyone's very excited about agents and everyone's building agents. So we will have an agent builder and an agent playground so that users can play with different agentic workflows. And also we want to have a testing and analytics suite built in so that you have an overall view of what's happening and what can be improved. So that was pretty much AI Forge. Thank you.
Amazing. Thank you so much, Ayush. Those were great slides and it sounds like a great project. So finally, this should work. Astro, amazing. Hello.
Hi, hey.
Perfect. So whenever you're ready to begin and share your screen, the stage is yours.
Hey, I'm Astro and I'm presenting Who is the Boss. Who is the Boss? It's first of its kind from to earn gaming platform. And a little bit about myself. I'm Astro. I'm founder of Hire. Hire is a AI-based video interviewer, which can take and shortlist the candidate better than resume scanning. I'm available on X and Telegram on Vote in the Sky and Mayur SMR. What is Who is the Boss? Who is the Boss is the first of its kind prompt to earn gaming platform. And our objective is to hone your prompting skill. And why is that? Because we believe that the future generation will be the generation of prompters. The better you prompt, the better the coder or better the artist you are. And that's our motto, that you should be a master prompter. And currently we are hosting the image generation games and we plan to expand it to the multimedia, including 3D models and video. And the first thing is how to play the game. It's very simple. You have to select the context type, pay to participate, generate the image using AI, prompt beta, get a better image, prompt again, prompt beta, and get a better image, and submit the score. How does it actually work? Let's play the demo. So when you go to the website, you can see the front page and the multiple contests. The contests are based on the difficulty level, and there are some kind of special contests. To participate, you have to just click on the contest and click on the I'm the boss button. Then there will be prompt to asking you to stake some amount, and it's a participation fees. When you pay the fees, you get 3 tries, as you can see in the screen. And when you enter the prompt, you get some image generated, and each generated image has some, you can see there is a closeness score. Let's say that 45% close, 62% close. And what does this closeness score is? There is a reference image and there is a AI generated image. So this AI generated image get compared with your reference image and the closeness score is calculated. And at the end of the contest, the person having the highest closeness score win. And what the closeness score is? The closeness score is the comparison of the reference image of different contest type and your AI generated image. And it's based on the content, color palette, texture, structural similarity, semantic similarity, and age matching. Yep, that's it. Prompt beta and unbeta. So the whole concept is that there you have a reference image, you get some chances to generate the AI generated images. The better you prompt, the more accurate your image is to the reference image, and the more the closeness score is, the higher your chances are to win. Thank you.
Amazing. Thank you. Those were fantastic slides. And your project seems really, really cool. So that is all from our pitches. So while the Livepeer team deliberate on their finalists and their winners, we will now be moving on to the bounty winners. So firstly, I would like to invite Thomason from Swarm Zero to announce their Innovation Challenge winners. Hello.
Hi, Adriana, and hello, everyone. Yeah, so it's been a great, few weeks, even more than weeks. There's been a lot of very exciting presentations we've seen today, and even for those who built with Swarm Zero, the work done was very impressive. Big congrats to everybody who participated. Just pushing yourself is something. I'll start with our honorable mentions. So we have for $100 each, Suno Song Generator by Cho-Ching Lu, and the AI-driven news video generator by Kay. These are very, very interesting use cases of AI agents and swarms of agents. Then for a third prize for $300 is the Avatar Personal Desktop Assistant by Mohammed Alawad. This was actually a very cool presentation. Just having an AI agent that's there on your computer, just like Clippy, from back in, the old Microsoft Windows XP. So that was a cool demo. And we have AI News Recap by Marcus Klaus. So that's a very cool way to see how AI agents can actually scour the web, find relevant news topics for you, and actually just generate the videos. So you can actually watch the news on the go, and it's all AI generated. And our first prize for $1,000 goes to mycontent.fun from Samuel Ledoux. Really well done to all the finalists here. And I'm looking forward to continue seeing you contribute to the Swarm Zero community. Thank you.
Amazing. Thank you, Thomason, for announcing that, and congratulations to all of you winners. You will be contacted shortly. So thank you, Swarm Zero. That was great. Moving on, I'm just going to send you backstage. So moving on, we have the Story Protocol winners. So Jacob, you should be getting an invitation to come up and announce the bounty winners for this one. Hey
everybody, can you hear me?
Yes, all good.
Awesome. So hey everyone, yeah, so we had 3 winners. One of them, the first place, actually I'll do the second two just to build some suspense. So one of the winners for the $500 prize was Starforge. So congratulations to the Starforge project. Thanks for all your effort there. And the second winner was the Spark project. So thank you so much to the Spark project as well. Both of you did an amazing job integrating story. Spark was taking clips and trying to register the clips as IP. So really cool system in order to better watch content and register that IP on story. And Starforge, which we actually saw today from Robert. Robert, you did a great job. Showing how to make movies and use the celebrity likeness in order to register intellectual property. And then the top 1,000 prize winner, boom, there it is, Plastic Educator. So Plastic Educator, great job during the hackathon. We talked a lot in Discord, and you had amazing questions throughout the hackathon. You did a fantastic job. Actually, in my opinion, the most interesting was using AI to generate licenses. And so it was really cool to see how you, would take inputs from users and then generate an actual license agreement to use intellectual property. So really like that. Your demo was really fun to play around with. I was actually making tweets myself using your website. So overall, just had a great job and really enjoyed answering your questions in Discord. And you were super dedicated to the project. So thanks so much for all your passion. So that's Stories Prizes. Thanks, Adriana, for hosting this. I had a blast with all of you. So thanks, guys.
Amazing. Well, thank you, and congratulations for all of you winners for the story bounty. So thank you, Jacob, as well, for coming to announce that. I'll be sending you backstage. There we go. Because next we have the Zora winners. Hi, Isaac. How are you?
Good. How's everyone?
Good. Yeah, if you want to announce your winners and talk about them.
Yeah, no, 100%. As it's supposed to show on the. Yeah, I think we should just 100%. Yeah, first of all, congrats to everyone who's on this list. Had a lot of fun just going through the submissions for the Zora track. I think it's really impressive to see some of the new kinds of tools that are coming out that's bringing generative media on chain. I think it's a testament to the entire space, the innovation that's been taking place for the past few years around how easy it has become to build apps to mint on chain, and especially using the Zora protocol. So just wanted to give a shout out to all these teams: GenMint, Shrink.ai, VisualizeIT.ai, Spark, and Iconic Inc. I can just go through really quickly around why our team selected these winners. So starting with GenMint, what I really liked about it was using Discord as a way for you to do prompting and to generate the mints. I think it's very similar to Midjourney. Personally, I'm a huge Midjourney user, so when using a very familiar and similar UI and UX there was really smart, and then just making it extremely easy for you to bring it on chain. So that's awesome. Really good product thinking there. And then Shrink.ai, I really liked how easy it was to use the demo, the app, and the demo just worked as simple as that. I think what I really was trying to optimize for is a demo that actually shows me what the developer was trying to build and actually work. So it was great. Shrink AI, shout out to you. And then visualize it. Also very intuitive UI, and I actually really like seeing that you also kind of leveraged both Story and Zora protocol for different use cases. I think we're in the world of like bringing generative media on chain, and it's really good to see an intuitive UI like yours to bring media on chain. Moving on to Spark. I know you're a winner for the story track as well. I think deservedly so. Really cool to see that you're able to just bring a YouTube link and then that automatically clips that into multiple short reels and just make it really easy for you to bring them on chain. I think that's what we need, more short form, entertaining content on chain. So it's just a really good implementation of the Zora protocol as well. And then last but not least, we've got Iconic Inc. Really good demo around like interactive creator and sort of more like creator community collaboration. I know you use the term like celebrities or influencers can collaborate with their fans to create AI generated art, but the idea of like having it kind of real time made it really, really interesting. It kind of reminded me a little bit of base paint where you can interact with your community, and I really like that. I think in general like the space needs more interactive, more like dynamic two-sided interactions like that one, especially when it comes to on-chain media. So really good demo. Shout out to you for creating Iconic Inc. But overall, really impressed by all the submissions. Extremely cool to see all these new ideas come on chain. So congrats once again.
Amazing. Thank you, Isaac. And yeah, congratulations everyone for winning the Zora bounty. All again, really impressive, and all your projects are really deserving of these bounties. So now the Livepeer judges have finished their deliberation. And so we will now be moving shortly on to the winners. So I will be inviting N on stage as they will be announcing this. Hello.
Sorry, I was having some issues with my camera, but here now. Well, I just first want to say, wow, everyone, the pitches were so incredible. Just want to say that Livepeer is so lucky to have all of you who submitted. and as well all of you who were selected to pitch today. Feel very grateful that you all put so much work in. It definitely shows. So just before I get into the winners, regardless of who gets first place, there are opportunities for not just the winners, but participants as well within the Livepeer ecosystem, which we will share at the end of my little block here. So let's get into it. Well, I'll tell you more details after, but let's get into this. So we had 3 categories: the social media app, developer tool, and creator tool. We're going to start with the social media app and the winners here. So in third place, we have ZoraGift. Congratulations. And then the runner-up is Who is the Boss? Woo! I wish we had like an applause sound effect. And then first place is mycontent.fun, which was a favorite I saw as with the other winners too. Again, this category was super close, so it was pretty hard to pick the top 3. But yeah, I felt that mycontent.fun had a leg up in terms of integrating into social media, and legs in terms of further UI development and things like that. So really great job, everybody. And again, if you didn't win first, there are still more opportunities within the Livepeer ecosystem. So next up, we have the developer tools, I think. Yes. And I maybe I should tell a little bit about a developer tool category. Basically, for the social media app, we were kind of deciding on like who had the strongest social media application that can onboard more people to Livepeer AI. Similar to developer tools, right? What is the strongest submission to help developers build on Livepeer AI? So in third place, we have, I'm not sure if it's LearNova. Congratulations. The runner-up was AI Forge. And first place that had the strongest use case for developers was Livepeer AI Sumseg. So congratulations to the winners of the developer tools. Yes, and then the final category was creator tools. So I just a little comment on this one. This one was also close. Livepeer AI Sumseg won out because of the improvement for Livepeer AI in terms of the CLI. So that we felt would strongly help developers looking to integrate more quickly with Livepeer AI. So again, all very strong projects. And yeah, I don't know, I had a great time reviewing everybody. And just like a special mention, I think it was Who is the Boss, who was the runner-up in social media app. I had a really good time using it. And an opportunity potentially, I'm not sure if you've thought of where that could be integrated, but I think, a Discord bot would be super cool. A super fun game to play in Discord. I don't know, I thought it was pretty unique. Awesome. So last category for the creator tool, and just what this is what was the strongest tool for those who are maybe not technical, but want to start using Livepeer AI or start using AI in general. So in third place, we have Intervo. Congratulations. And second place, we have, or runner-up, we have Creative TV. Congratulations, Creative TV. And then in first place, we have Starforge. Congratulations, Starforge, for winning this category. And we also, just as this additional thing that we haven't announced yet, but we're going to do an overall winner of the competition. And the overall winner will get a Livepeer Inc. grant opportunity, which we'll explain more when we reach out to all of the winners. But the overall winner, the one with the top score of all the projects, was Starforge. Woo! Congratulations, Starforge. We were in love with what you built. And, I already saw you in the Discord sharing your demo very early on. And you were definitely a standout And I think you got 5s. In our scorecard, I think you got 5s across the board. So congratulations on that. And we'll be following up with what that grant opportunity looks like to further develop your project. So before I wrap up from my end, I just want to share some opportunities. Yes, congrats to Starforge. And again, just a note, everyone was so incredible. So yes, we have one thing that Rebecca just shared. We have the Livepeer Grants Program. This is where you can submit an application to get more funding from the Livepeer ecosystem. I'm on the grant committee myself, so everyone who won today, is a strong contender for that grant program. So that's the first option for folks, and this is also for participants. If you participated and you didn't win, and you still are loving Livepeer AI, want to develop your ideas in our ecosystem, whether that be for transcoding or for Livepeer AI, I definitely suggest you apply there. We have micro grants, which are 2,000, and then we have a disruptor grant, which is all the way up to 15,000. So there's definitely opportunities following after this. And the other one is the real-time video AI waitlist. So basically, we are launching a new initiative that is focusing on real-time video AI. And what that means is we're going to be using, in collaboration with Comfy UI, we're going to be building pipelines, AI pipelines that transform a live video stream with AI. So you could think about, VTubers and having like a VTuber rig automatically mapped onto somebody, or if you're watching like a soccer game, you can see the live tracking of the players and the ball and stuff like that. So that's what the link goes to a wait list. In the wait list, if you sign up for that, there's an opportunity to get into our AI pipeline cohort. The pipeline cohort is basically is for people who are interested in building these pipelines in our community, and we're accepting, I think, 15 to 20 people. So if you get on that wait list, we'll reach out to you and you can apply. And I think the total prize is up to 1.5K. And that is another opportunity to get deeper into the Livepeer AI moment where we're building out here at Livepeer. So those are the two opportunities, the two places you can move after this, now that the AI video hackathon has concluded. So thank you, Adriana, for letting me share all that. And I'll turn it back over to you.
Amazing, thank you. If you would like to stay on stage, just because we have one little thing and then we will be taking a photo. Thank you for explaining all those wonderful opportunities. I hope all of you guys take full advantage of that, because yeah, this has been a great hackathon and I'm sure you guys have learned loads from Livepeer and all the other sponsors. Just a little caveat, all the prizes are tentative and can be altered. They most likely will not, but just in case, we do need to just let you guys know. And then finally, that is the end of the finale. Rebecca, my colleague, will be inviting people up slowly so that we can take a nice photo. I will stop sharing my screen because, yeah, we just basically want to invite all the finalists and the sponsors up on stage so that we can take a nice photo together. I'll be doing a little screenshot once we get everyone up. Thank you guys all for your participation in this hackathon, for the amazing sponsors, for your fantastic projects. You guys have worked so hard and I hope you guys are all very, very proud. Congrats to all the winners, and even like En said, even if you guys didn't win anything particularly today, that doesn't mean that there isn't any opportunities in the future for you all. And yeah, that's super exciting. I think this is probably everyone, and Rebecca as well. There we go. So yeah, if everyone just wants to smile or whatever they'd like, I'll just take a couple screenshots. And yeah, we'd just like to thank you all so much again. Sorry, just
are we gonna get a 3, 2, 1?
Oh yeah.
Yeah, everyone make some funny poster.
Getting some candids, you know. Okay, I'll do right. 3, 2, 1. Perfect. Okay.
Oh, they like your t-shirts.
Great.
And congrats to everyone. Everyone's projects were so incredible. Yeah, thankful that you all submitted, and hope that you stay around in the ecosystem and continue to build what you're building.
Absolutely. Couldn't have said it better myself. So thank you guys so much for your time. I hope you enjoyed this finale, and I'll be sending out a little email in Discord with all the information of who won, and you will be contacted by the sponsors to gain your prizes. So thank you all so much, and I hope to see you guys in the future.
Bye-bye.
Bye, y'all. Congrats.
Bye, everyone. Bye.